So we've got week 2 of Let's Get Organized with Cara Brandon and a bunch of others. So I want to show y'all where I am at. Here's the desk. The desk is no better. If anything, I'm thinking maybe the desk is worse. I don't know. I live in chaos. My mama didn't have severe ADHD. A couple of my brothers didn't have ADD, ADHD, and 3 of my 4 kids didn't either for, it to have totally skipped me. So, anyways, the desk will probably stay a mess anyways. Like the floor. But my current working project is covering my trash can, so, ignore the paper towels on the floor. One of the cats decided to leave a present, and I hurt too much to get it. But I am down to this. Remember that great big pile? I have 2 little boxes to still go through. That red basket is my working tools, and it's sitting on top of a tote for my buttons. I do still need to go through and organize the bottom shelf there. But over here, I have the blue tote of like cardboard type stuff for making tags, a paper bag of paper bags, cards, and envelopes. That is my filing system for whatever needs to be filed. There's some work stuff. The labels for folders. That's notebook papers. They don't want to stay standing. And then various coffee dyed papers, digitals, whatnot. That's my roll of green masking paper, my box of punches. I've got strips of tickets, individuals and doubles of tickets, butterflies. That blue box is a box of paper clips sitting on top of a jar of paper clips, little tiny jars of different stuff, words, numbers, labels. There is my washies. I'm still finding a couple to put in there. I got more of the thingy bobs to put them into. Various strings and binding threads, doilies. I have 2 rows of various glues. 2 different types of eyelets, so there's 2 different containers of them. Miscellaneous bits. Pile of projects. My shelf of various papers. Journals. 2 baskets of spools of ribbons and lace. One of those is napkins. One of those is the sewing patterns. Postcards. Stencils. I didn't put the ink pad back up because it was a pain in the butt to get back into there. But behind that's the bowl with the ink pads and stamps. And then, of course, the sewing machine shelf. Like I said, still needs to go through, still needs to be gone through. There's the table, trash can with my current project on it. Haven't really touched this mess over here. This right here, top box is my donation. All the totes need to end up in another room. I just haven't had the energy to do it. Over here is the box of stuff that doesn't belong in this room. I just haven't had the energy to take it away. With the exception of the 12 by 12 box. Those are some of the boxes and baskets that I have emptied that need to be dealt with. I've just kind of tossed them over there. I haven't done them neatly. Yes, my Christmas tree is still put up because I need to make more ornaments for it, and I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Just because I can, I'm going to show you. I still have more empty things to use for organizing because I'm eventually going to do my whole house. This is my extra office supplies. I have my main sewing box. This is the box of scraps. But there's my main sewing box. Threads and bobbins. And then because I do sewing for the uniforms at work, that is the specific colors I need of fabric and thread for that. But there's like empty boxes and jars and stuff for when I need them. So yeah, I do still need to go through that stuff there, as well as those two boxes over there. And of course, the table. I have a label machine on its way because I would like to label. Eventually, when the weather warms up, I'm going to, one of these days, maybe, if I find energy, and with fibro and other stuff, energy is hard to find. I would like to paint like these things and the lids to my jars just so that they, you know, kind of all go together. I don't have to, but I would like to just because. And like the pink basket down there. I was thinking maybe blue or yellow. I think I have some black spray paint in another room. Might eventually spray paint those baskets. We'll see. But yeah, it's coming along. It's actually helping the depression some. It's amazing. So I like seeing everybody's pictures and videos. It's encouraging. Very, very encouraging. So keep it up, gals. Guys, everybody, keep it up.